Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Mirhami Fadilah, my nickname Ami. I'm from Islamic University at Bukit Tinggi and major Magister Islamic Education. Okay, I will presentation this article, The Correlation of Motivation and Habit with Learning Outcome in New Normal Era. Abstract this article explore the relationship between learning motivation, learning habit, and the learning outcome of grade 11 class vocational school student in the practice in the late machine in the new normal era. This study used a quantitative approach with research subject in vocational school in the field of mechanic engineering expertise, data collection using questionnaires, tests, and document, person product moment correlation analysis technique, the test and F-test using SPSS software. The result of the study divided in two, namely single regression and multiple regression will be explained as follows. 1. Single regression include the 3 is a relationship with the medium category of learning motivation with learning outcome. The 3 is relationship with the medium category between learning motivation and the learning outcome. Number 2, multiple regression between the variable of learning motivation and the learning habits simulate provide a positive and significant relationship with learning outcome. The limit and implication of the research will be discussion in more detail in the discussion. Introduction. This article, education is fundamental for national development, shaping skill and the responsible future generation. The safety is important. Indonesia faces challenge in education quality, particularly in the context of infrastructure and racial. The COVID-19 pandemic exacerbated this challenge. Shifting learning environment online and requiring adaptation the new normal era. The study examine the correlation between learning motivation and the learning habit and the learning outcome of vocational high school students specializing in the late machine practice. By exploring this relationship, the research aims to identify factors influencing learning outcome during the transition back to face-to-face learning under new health protocols. Method this article is ex post facto research with a quantitative approach. Ex post facto in method use examine causal relationships that are not manipulated by research. The study aims to determine the relationship between learning motivation and learning habit with student learning outcome in medicine practice subject in new normal era. The subject involved in this study were students of the class 11 and vocational school majoring in machine engineering, especially in the late machine practice subject. Data collection techniques in this were questionnaires, tests, and document. Question into the variable of learning, motivation, and the learning habit. Test and the test knowledge and skill will document to prove the research conducted research on 5 vocational schools in the city of Yogyakarta. Literature review this article. Learning outcomes are shaped by various factors including motivation and the study habit. Previous studies have highlighted the importance of intrinsic and extrinsic motivation of furthering academic achievement. Habits such as regular study routines and active engagement also contribute to improving performance. The COVID-19 pandemic disrupted conventional learning methods, leading discrete motivation and the early study habits, while study have examined the impact during for only limited recent transitional period. The new normal when blended learning approach we adapted. Finding in this article, the study employed quantitative method collecting data, vocational school student in Yogyakarta. The result development. Number 2, learning motivation and outcome, a moderate positive relationship. Number 2, learning habits and outcome, a moderate positive relationship. Number 3, combined infant learning motivation and habit together and significant positive impact on outcome. Discussion this article, the finding alleged with proven research emphasizing the role of motivation and study habit in academic performance. However, that moderate correlation suggests other factors such as economic, health, and social conditions also plays a role. The pandemic economy struggled in many students and tech educational respondents, impacting the focus on the study routine, health challenge, and limited face-to-face interaction future affect the engagement and the learning outcome. Teacher and institution must address this multifaceted challenge to further a sportive and informing the enhance both motivation and study habit. Okay, conclusion this article, the study confirmed the learning motivation and habit and significant include vocational student academic outcome. During the new normal era, the improved result school must implement strategy to action motivation and foster productive study habit, supported by adequate resource and the teacher training. Policymakers should address to socio-economy and the health relationship barriers to education, and ensuring students can fully adapt it while blending learning environment. Okay, finished. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.